guys, this is a video. Andrea, I'm recording. So, we're playing 3008. Yeah. And for some reason, there's a legless man. I mean, bodiless man.
Uy, hindi pa kayo niligo?
And for some people, they're like, oh no, that's dangerous. But it's okay. You found some water? And guys, I'm actually playing on phone, on mobile. So I'm in a Zoom call with my friends in the fish team. Yeah, say hello to Andre and Andres. Oh no! And also I'm almost done recording another video. Oh no, they're both fighting. Get. Andres, I'm floating.
Grab some melons, they give energy also. I mean llama.
Andres, look, I'm flying.
Guys, we have to retreat back to base. It might turn night now.
So that's Andres. Guys, I'm doing a Roblox video. Look, I'm recording right now. Oh yeah. Oh nah, man. Huh? Why? Excuse me. Oh my gosh, what the? I almost fell, Andres. I gotta end the video. It's a 2-minute video.